In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group chat in Slack. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack. This makes it easy to get to Slack's official site without needing to remember any specific URL. From the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. Give it a moment to load. If you work in multiple spaces, just make sure you're viewing the workspace where you want to start this conversation. Once Slack is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Direct Messages. This is where one-on-one chats and small group conversations live, separate from channels. It's a great place for quick coordination, private discussions, or short-term topics that don't need a full channel. To create a group chat, click the plus icon next to Direct Messages. That plus button is your shortcut to starting a new conversation. A window will pop up prompting you to choose who you want to message. In the To field, start typing the names of the teammates you want to include in your group chat. As you type, Slack will suggest matching people from your workspace. Click each name to add them. Take a second to confirm you've added everyone you need. If someone doesn't appear, double-check the spelling or make sure they're part of the same workspace. With your participants selected, move down to the message box. Type your first message. Something simple like a quick hello or a short description of what the group is for works perfectly. This initial message is important because sending it officially creates the group chat. When you're ready, send the message. Slack will instantly open the conversation for all included members. You'll now see the new group appear under Direct Messages, labeled with the participants' names. From here, you can continue the conversation just like any other chat. Share updates, coordinate tasks, and keep everything in one place. A few tips to make it smoother. Use @mentions. If you need a specific person's attention, drop in files or screenshots by dragging them into the window, and use emoji reactions to keep the conversation tidy without extra messages. And that's all there is to it. You opened Slack, navigated to Direct Messages, clicked the plus sign, added your members, typed a message, and the group chat was created automatically. If your discussion grows or needs broader visibility, you can always consider moving to a channel later. But for fast, focused collaboration, a group DM is perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting in Slack.